today we are sitting out here on my patio drinking some cocktails, and in today's video we thought it would be cool to take a trip down memory lane on some of our past travel experiences.
As you guys know, we are super passionate about traveling, and we have done some amazing trips in the past before we started the channel, so we wanted to bring those back out and share with you guys those experiences. So let's check them out.
Check it out.
So the first place we're going to be showing you guys is a trip that we went to. We went to Las Vegas in 2018 for Stephanie's birthday. It was her 30th birthday, her dirty 30. It was a girls trip, and we had so much fun. Yes. So my favorite part of this trip was the food. We went to a bunch of different restaurants, but my favorite ones were Gordon Ramsay's Hell's Kitchen. I love that show, and the food was amazing. We also went to Nobu. That was an amazing experience as well. So, Stephanie, what was your favorite part of Las Vegas?
My favorite part was the horseback riding in the desert. That was my favorite part because I love animals. For people out there who don't know, I love animals. And my horse was so sweet. And then also we that night we went and saw J-Lo's Vegas concert, so that was fun. But guys, check out the footage. Vegas bound. Looking at that footage makes me really want to go back to Vegas so bad. But moving on, we're going to be talking about New Orleans. So we actually went there earlier this year for Mardi Gras, and I feel like for me, and I think Eryn will agree with this as well, the biggest highlight for me was the food. Like, it was so freaking good. Like the gumbo, like we both had gumbo, and like guys, I wanted to like go and take some home. But what did you like more about like New Orleans?
I love the food, but the experience of being there while Mardi Gras was going on was really amazing. Just being at the parades and getting all the beads and catching them. It was just so much fun. I think everybody should experience Mardi Gras at least once in their life. So go ahead and check out the footage.
for our last trip, we're going to be taking it international, and we're going to be talking about Costa Rica. And for those who don't know, I actually travel to Costa Rica several times a year for work. I have a team down there, and I just love being in Costa Rica. The people down there are amazing. The food is amazing. The culture is amazing. And actually, on one of my trips, Eryn came down, and we made it kind of like an actual, like, real trip where I can actually go out and experience things. But I've been a bunch of times. So, Eryn, like, what was your favorite thing when you came down?
So when I came down, my favorite part, we went to see a volcano. We went to the rainforest.
Yeah.
Saw all.
We got rained on.
Yeah, we did get rained on. We saw a bunch of animals that I would never see in Atlanta. And it was just amazing, just the people. So Costa Rica is amazing. So go ahead and check that out. It's really fun.
that wraps up our video for today. Thank you guys so much for taking a trip down memory lane with us.
So we want to let you guys know that we're going to be doing way more travel vlogs in the future. We already have some trips planned for 2019, and we're already working on planning trips for 2020. And we're definitely going to be doing more international vlogs. So stay tuned for that.
And guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our page. And also, guys, you know, comment below and let us know some of, like, you know, the trips that you guys have taken that you think that we should, you know, check out as well. But guys, thank you guys so much for joining in on our channel today.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.